lawful, lawful. Lawful means halal. Lawful, halal. Unlawful, unlawful. Unlawful means haram. Unlawful, haram. Mosque, mosque. Mosque means Jumat. Mosque, Jumat. Funeral, funeral. Funeral means janaza. Funeral, janaza. Faith, faith. Faith, iman. Faith, iman. Verse, verse. Verse means ayat. Verse, ayat. Obligation, obligation. Obligation, wajib. Obligation, wajib. Paradise, paradise. Paradise means Jannat. Paradise, Jannat. Hell, hell. Hell means Duzakh. Hell, Duzakh. Ya Jahannam. Hell, Duzakh, Ya Jahannam. Divorce, divorce. Divorce means talaq. Divorce, talaq. Allowable, allowable. Allowable means rawa. Allowable, rawa. Dear viewers, today's lesson is enough with these words. Subscribe our YouTube channel Yuli Teacher and share the video with your friends, and also like the video if you learn something. For another video, goodbye.